Meaning of fireproof.
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 Fireproof. Fireproof refers to the ability of a material or substance to resist being damaged or destroyed by fire. This means that the material or substance is not easily ignited, does not contribute to the spread of flames, and is able to withstand high temperatures without breaking down or melting. Fireproof materials are commonly used in buildings and structures to increase their safety and reduce the risk of fire-related damage or loss. In short, fireproof materials are essential for ensuring the safety of people and property in the event of a fire.